Do you know the water you are taking can cause hormonal disbalance, severe period pain, gynae problems like fibroid uterus, ovarian cyst, endometriosis, etc. It can decrease your energy level and increase your anxiety level. Yes, that's right. In contrast, if you take deuterium depleted water, it will balance your hormones, heal your reproductive health problems, your gynae problems, boost your vitality and energy, and reduce your anxiety. What is deuterium depleted water? Why it is important? And how it works into your body? Where do we get deuterium depleted water? If you want to know all about this, stay with me on this video. Deuterium depleted water is just normal hydrogen and oxygen water. But when the deuterium is high, the water becomes heavy hydrogen in the water. And what does it do? It disrupts the mitochondria in the cells to process hormones programming. First, it will decrease your immunity system, increase your inflammatory system, and that lead to a lot of other problems you can guess. Where do we get deuterium depleted water? It is simple, it's easy. Just drink cold water for better metabolism. Drink filtered water. Not only that, use filtered water for cooking and give other people in your family filtered water. Make them healthy. Save your money. If you can afford, use silver cup. If you put water in a silver cup for 5 minutes and drink it, it will be beneficial for you. Nature has a way of healing already. If you put water under the sun for 10 minutes, but don't put on a plastic bottle or a plastic glass, but put into ceramic pot or glass and put into the sun for 10 minutes. The sun energizes the water, flushes the deuterium, and drink that. How good it is, how simple and easy it is. Nature has all the healing things around us, but we don't know it. And also, the food that is high in water, for example, watermelon, in summertime or in hot countries, we all know how much we love watermelon, cucumber, the fruits that is high in water. In that case, they could have high deuterium on it while they're growing. They can water these plants with the high deuterium water, and it can consume those deuterium in it and the fruits, and we could drink or eat that. So to prevent that, same thing, nature. Go to the sun, stay under the sun and eat it. That's all. Isn't it easy? Yes. Eat locally grown fruits and veggies and foods. Eat ghee. Ghee has low deuterium, but it works for water. It is stored, the fat stored inside, the ghee's fat stored inside, and it works when you need energy, like how a camel works. Camel has hump, and it does not need water while it's transporting in the desert region, and for a few days it can consume their energy from the fat from the hump. Same way, if you have low deuterium water or the ghee, you can store it and you can use it when you need it. If you want to know more about these, DM me. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and comment. Thank you.